Hi guys, I'm going to share an English idiom with you today. But before I do that, I have to give you a bit of a history lesson. So, in England, there's a long-held belief that between actors, that when you go up on stage, if somebody says, "Hey, good luck on your show tonight," it's actually bad luck to hear that or bad luck to say that. They believe that something bad will happen if you tell somebody, "Hey, good luck." So instead, they use a different phrase and a different idiom in English, which is what I'm going to share with you today. And the idiom is break a leg. Now, it sounds like you're saying, I hope you have bad luck, right? To break a leg is bad. But actually, break a leg, the English idiom means good luck with whatever you're doing. So if I have a friend who's an actor and I know that they're performing tonight, I'll never say, good luck on your performance. I will look at them and I will say, hey, Steve, break a leg tonight. Sounds funny, right? So can you think of any other English idioms which sound like they have a completely different meaning than what they actually mean? Leave them in the comment section below.